By North constituency, if I'm not mistaken, Vrushali, what's the turnout there been like so far? Maharashtra concern, as I said earlier, not recording very high numbers. What's the reason for this, Vrushali? Are people taking it lightly? Are people taking it as a holiday? Do you have some people with you who you can speak with on this very concerning aspect of why the voter turnout is not too high, and of course what the main voter issues were this time around?
Heat is the main issue that the Maharashtra is currently facing the heat wave, pan Maharashtra, be it Vidarbha, be it Marathwada, be it any part. Even in Mumbai, the temperature is going around 40 to 42 sometimes. So certainly that is one core reason. Apart from that, the kind of holidays that have come adjoining this particular V-day is Saturday, Sunday, and after this Monday. So many people have left the town. That is another reason, because of the continuous holidays, and post that the V-days, the very important voting day has appeared on the Monday. So that's the reason why the voter turnout is quite low. If you see so far, the voter turnout has not even reached to 40%, which is really cause of concern, not only in Mumbai but also other places like Thane, Kalyan, Nasik, which we have seen. The 13 Lok Sabha constituencies are going for the voting day today, and in all the 13 seats, if you see, none of the seat has crossed the 40% voter turnout so far, which is a really cause of concern. And just 1 hour is left now. We know that from the political parties, they have started urging people. क्या लगता है आपको कि लोगों ने आके वोट करना चाहिए? 1 ही घंटा बचा है.
लाइन तो बहुत लगी है और वोट देना भी चाहिए.
बहुत कम वोटिंग टर्नआउट हुआ है इस बार. आपको लगता है कि लोगों ने उतरना चाहिए? मुंबई
उतरना तो चाहिए, क्योंकि वोट हमारे लिए हो रहा है. हमें ही सही करना है क्या है क्या नहीं. अगर आज वोट नहीं देंगे तो कल किसी पे उंगली भी नहीं उठा सकेंगे, इसलिए वोट करते रहना चाहिए.
So there is a positive approach also of the Mumbaikars who are coming here to vote, but at the same time, if you see the turnout on the page, be it any constituency, be it Mumbai North Central or Mumbai Northwest constituency, we have seen that around 38 to 39% voting has been recorded so far, and none of the constituency unfortunately has crossed even the 40% of the voting turnout.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.